Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah, salatu wassalamu ala rasulillah wa ala alihi washabihi ajma'in, amma ba'du. Okay, so today I'm gonna do presentate my portfolio. So here's the first page of my portfolio, all about my portfolio since in Aydin boarding school. Okay, let's start this presentation. Okay, introduce myself. My name is Ammar Maulana Habibi, as known as Ammar, and right now I'm 16 years old and school in Aydin boarding school, Pamijahan. So IDN boarding school is like IT boarding school, and it has three majority: network engineering, software engineering, and UI UX designer. And alhamdulillah, I've been chosen in network engineering. So I will tell about all of my achievement or skills or experience since I in network engineering. Okay, about portfolio, this portfolio tells about my experience since in IDN boarding school, start from teaching, certification, and others. Okay, the first one, the first skills. Okay, I've got MTCNA or Microtik Certified Network Associate. So let me explain this certification, the skills. So one of the famous um, internet service provider or device is Microtik, and alhamdulillah I got one of the certificate is MTCNA, all about network associate. It could be like, I can say it's like all of the fundamental of the engineering. So marketing has a lot of certificate, but the basic one is network associate. So as you can see, it has fundamental, TCP/IP, OSI layer, basic configuration, router identity, and others. So it could be like the associate of network. So if you want to learn more advanced, you have to get this certificate first. And alhamdulillah, I got this certificate last years. Right. Okay. The next one is MTCRA or MyCritic Certified Routing Engineering. As I told you that before, MyCritic has a lot of certification, but if you want to get the basic one is MTCNA or MyCritic Certified Network Associate, and this the advanced one is MyCritic Certified Routing Engineering. So all about routing, like how to use router advancedly or how to use switching, routing, and others. It's like in router it has dynamic and static routing. So I've learned dynamic routing like OS web routing protocol, RIP routing, BGP, and basic of MPLS. And about the static routing, it could be like check gateway, route type, scope, and target scope, ECPM or ECMP, and two method of routing. It's load balancing and failover, routing policy, and others. Like as you can see in this portfolio. Next, okay, the third one is CCNA or Cisco Certified Network Associate. So not only Microtik, it has a famous provider. Cisco also has a famous provider. So this is the hard one as a basic, as a junior network engineer to get this certification. So I'll tell you, it's like has a lot of lesson, but I did not put this on my portfolio because I forgot how to input that thing. So I will explain by myself. It's like fundamental switching, VLAN switching. It has a lot like trunking, a lot VLAN, and a lot with VLAN like VLAN basic, VLAN and others. And the next one is routing. It has all about dynamic routing that I've learned, like AGRP routing, OSPF routing, RIP routing, and others. But routing protocol that I always use is AGRP and OSPF. And one more, like I want to tell you about uh, Cisco is the best provider. Because of what? Because of all of provider has their provider routing protocol. Like the example OSPF is open source. It can say Cisco can connect to MikroTik, but the one routing protocol that cannot connect to other provider is AGRP. So Cisco has their own routing protocol. And the fourth one is English language. So I've learned English since elementary school until now. So I can say I am an advanced English language. Like the example, I can do grammar correctly, speaking with native speaker, listening, and others. And the last one is Arabic language. So I've learned Arabic language since junior high school because of I went to boarding school. So before I was in Aiden boarding school, I'm in Islamic boarding school. It have to use Arabic language. So it can say I'm a beginner Arabic languages. Okay, let's continue on this certification. So before that I was show you all of my certifications like Microtik certification, Cisco certification, and others. And I will tell you this. MTCNA I got last year that I said to you guys, and I was taking the training or certification and my own school. And the next one is MTCRE. I got last year also, alhamdulillah, and I was taking in one of the best IT training in IT networker. Okay, let's continue. Okay, and right now I will tell all of my experience. All of the third is ident teaching. The first ident teaching with my friend in Mahat Al Bogor. I teach junior high school, so there are around 20 students, and at the time I teach like all of fundamental of IT, so like not the heavy lesson, just only like my experience in IT project. Okay, the next one ident teaching also with my friend is SMIN 1 Pemali, so near of my house. Because of their senior high school, I teach fundamental of network engineering because that in and alhamdulillah they can follow my lesson. And next one I was been ident teaching also with my friend in vocational high school at Cikarang, around my friend's house, nearest of my friend's house. There are around 4 classes, and alhamdulillah all of the classes I've teach MTCNA. Okay, next. Okay, the next one I got ident business survival. So here I was doing ident business survival, like we have to survive and the destination is Jogja. Okay, and we got money that it can say limits it. So like example, I have 100,000 rupiah, and I have to roll that money. How and I have to think how that money before can get more money from that money. And we survive in Jogja around 1 week. So in Jogja we have to search a job, how to search money, like the example how to get a job, how to get money from taking a job, like wash the motorcycle or guard the something like that. And the next one is English podcast. So English podcast is a normal things that we have to finish in Aiden, or it can say English project, the podcast. And I've been finished around 4 videos with my friends, and alhamdulillah it all accepted. And next one is another of English project is mock job interview. So the thing like a simulation how to interview correctly, and alhamdulillah I can do it with my with my teacher. So it like so it can say I was doing a simulation mock job with my teacher, how to answer the question correctly, how to ask question correctly, and others. Okay, if you guys interested me, you can contact me at below at my phone number, at my Gmail, and at my CD. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you for your attention for watching my presentation, because your time so expensive, because money can change your time, so that's why your time is so expensive. I hope you guys healthy well, and thank you very much for you guys that was that was watching my video. And the last word I say is assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you soon on my next video.